Hello and welcome to this package. Today is a great day because I received the package that Texas Jim sent to me. It took 1 month until it has reached my destination in Germany. So Jim, thank you very much for this heavy package. And by the way, that's the sticker Jim has put on this package with his name. Very nice sticker. Alright, so now let's open it up and see what kind of locks are in. Sorry for the bad light. Okay, oops, here we are. Ooh, okay, so from left to right, what do we have? We have an Iseo rim cylinder, a 5-pin lock. And what does it say? Oh, it says Texas Jim. So that probably means that this is not a factory pinned lock. It might be one of Jim's evil challenge locks. That's the bitting. Actually doesn't look too bad. Works nice. Alright, so that was number one. What else do we have? Another Texas Jim. So might be another challenge lock. That's the bitting on this key. No name on it. Oh, works only one way. The other way, no, it works both ways. There's a little hanger, but okay. So the next is a Russwin. I never had a Russwin before. Great opportunity for me to learn new locks. And it also says Texas Jim on the label. That's a bidding is not too bad. Not so many ups and downs. But I think everything that comes from Texas Jim has evil stuff in it. Alright, what's next? Oh, that looks nice. Also no name on it, but a very large lock, very heavy. And of course, it says Texas Jim. That's the bitting on the key. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-pin lock, if I count it right. Works also very nice. And, oh, okay, a dormer. Also never had a dormer, so that's great. Also says Texas Jim. And that's the bitting. And the last one is a disc lock with a key. Let's quickly unwrap it. Okay, works very nice. How many pins are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-pin lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5. Okay. The brand is Steel. Never heard of it. Okay, so Texas Jim, your locks have received. I have received your locks. So thank you very, very much, Jim, for this great bunch of locks. If they are all challenge locks, I think I'm busy until the end of my days. But I will try to work through those locks, and maybe I will try to pick the disc lock right away. So let's see how that goes. First try to rake it. I think I better go with tensioning from the pin side. I take that one. Yeah. So now where's my rake? Oh, here it is. Try another rake. Don't know if any pins were actually set. But I can access them, that's okay. Okay. So let me try to pick it. My favorite pick. Tension from the other side, so that's easy for me to manipulate in the lock. Pin 1 is springy. Pin 2 is bad feedback from pin 2. Try a different pick. And it's open. All right. Haha. Picked right out of the box. So Texas Jim, thank you very much for the locks. Thanks for the little challenge here. And everybody else, thank you very much for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.